Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Connect channel. In our last video, we have stopped up to this part, the index method. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about the view section. So I want to view all the hotel information. So how to view all the hotel information? So you have to go to the resources folder. Inside this, there's a views folder. Views folder, I'm going to create the folder which is a hotel. Okay. So I'm going to do the views part. So view part, we have to go to the resources folder. Inside the resources folder, there is a folder which is a views. Inside the views folder, we have to create the folder which is a view hotel. Here, this hotel folder, we have to create the page which is a index dot blade dot page. Okay, so index dot blade dot page. So this page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this code. Okay, this entire code I'm going to paste it. So here this code, don't worry, I'll give you all the source code. So this source code I'll give you. So my all the this source code or all the projects I given you, don't worry. So this is the simple design of the bootstrap. Okay, so this is the admin layout. So you have to extend, you have to create the admin layout. So you have to create the view pages folder. Click here, you have to create admin layout. You have to write the admin layout. So you have to create admin this page, admin layout dot blade dot page. This is the admin layout. Okay, so the admin layout, what I'm going to include is I'm going to include the all things, the sidebar and everything. All things I'm going to include this template design. So okay. Now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to explain. So here this one should be the our admin layout. The first we have discovered about this. Okay, so here this is the HTML file. We have designed the HTML file. Okay, this is simple HTML file. Inside head tag, so we have a simple design. The meta tag here. This is the link. You are this one should be mentioned the bootstrap styling. So title, this is style. We have to write the custom style. Okay, so this one should be the mobile responsive sidebar. This one should be the sidebar links. This one should be the active and deactive links. This is the div tag. Div content is all things should be the mobile responsive. All the thing you have to get it over here. Okay. Okay. So here this one should be the our links. This is a navbar link. So we have a you can see this heading, the navbar heading. Here you can manage the user, whether the user is admin user or ordinary user or guest user. So these all things we have discussed about later on. Okay, so here so we have a simple navbar section, so the link section, this one should be our sidebar section. So here home, hotel and rooms. So the sidebar section, this is a heel content. This heel content, what is a heel content mean? What the pages you are selected, these all things are same, but only the page should be different. So this yield content is coming from where we have to attach the this hotel. Okay, this is the content. This content, all things are goes to as a in this page yield content. Okay, this yield content, what I did here is we have created the first we have a hotel management heading. After that we have to create the simple form, registration form. Okay, this hotel name, image, description and status. We have created the following fields. What are the fields? Hotel name, image, description and status. These are the fields. We have four fields and one register button. Okay, so when you register the particular hotel, what's the name of the hotel? Okay, so here you can see the simple form design. Okay, this form design, you have to go to the bootstrap. You have to go to the bootstrap. Simply you have to go to the bootstrap. Click on this. You have to go to the search bar. You have to type form. So you can see this kind of form. This all the form design, you can get the code from this design. Okay, you get the all the form designs. Okay, you will get all the form design from here. Okay, this form design just copy and paste it over here. This is our content. Okay, the hotel name, the hotel, this heading of this one, this is the form, the heading of hotel, register hotel. Okay, so this is the simple form. This form consists of hotel name, image, description and status. Image, this one should be the image browse field. This is the hotel name, this is the input field. Description field is the input field. This is the status field. There is an option, active or deactivated. Okay, if it is 1, if it is selected as 1, it's activated. If it is selected as 2, which if you deactivate means it's 2. If it is activated means 1. Okay, but okay, so here this activated and deactivated is very must when you register the particular hotel, because the each and every form there should be the active and deactivated option. Okay, so when this hotel is not available at the moment, we simply select as deactivated. The option has been 2, marked as 2, it has been deactivated. So there is a submit button. Okay, once you register the hotel, so you can see here there is a field, hotel name, input field. So the images section, image. So here we have a file. So when you upload the image, we the image uploading we have to create as here, type as file. Okay, that's why we have put the image section. So after that description, we have to write the description. After that description, we have a text. Description also we have to make it as text. Okay, if you want, you can make it as a, instead of input type text, you have to make it as text area. That also you can get the a big text box. Okay, so after that we have a simple option drop down. You can get this drop down. Okay, you have a submit button. Click submit button. Okay, click submit button. After that we have a small table. We have put it this table. This table we have a name. Okay, so here we have following fields. You can see the table here. This table name, hotel name, image, description, and status and action. Okay, so what I did is first we have to discuss about this one. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, you have to fill all the things. Okay, hotel name, image, and description and status. Click register button. It goes to route hotels controller store action method. Hotels controller store action method. So hotel controller, there is no method available store action method. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is you have to go to here. This store action method. You have just copy it. Okay, here to get all the data. So we need a routes you have to get these two things. Hotel relevant information, you have to get these two, all the routes information. I have to put it over here. I'll be explaining, don't worry. So you have to write it here. You are specifying the path of the routes where your route is resided. My route is resided on the use here. Okay, so what I did is first what I'm going to do is first what I'm going to first you have to register the form. First you have to register the form. Okay, first you have to register the form. Click submit register button. It goes to the routes hotel and store action method. Hotel controller store action method. It goes to the hotel controller store action method. This is the hotel controller. Okay, so over here, go to the store action method, retrieve all the data, and you have to get name, description, status, and images. Okay, these are all things you have to get it. So here, what are these other fields? Name, image, description, and status. So all things are getting, and first you have to check whether all the things are we have to get required all the things are. Here we have to check the image. We have to check if the image was uploaded successfully or not. Okay, so here first you have to write request images, file request image. So get the image. Okay, the image you have to put it the public folder. Okay, we have to get as the images upload as a public folder. You have to specify the path over here. You can see here. After that, you can see the image. Image means this image. You can see the image name, the image ID. This is the very image name. This is very must. It getting this name. First, you have to check store that first you have I have written as a directory public for the image directory. You can see the image directory. After that, it will be validate the image. Okay. After that, after we have checked whether the image is validated or not, after the image is validated, after that we have to call the hotel. This is the model. Where is model decided? Model create. You have to pass into this validate data, all data validated. It will be hotel created successfully. That's the thing we have to do it. I hope you guys understood. I'll be seeing my next lecturing how to add the recording to the data. All things we are do it in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.